Hello and welcome to Alter Albums. In this video we'll go over how to add text to your project. Adding text to any page and any traditional hard photo cover is quite simple and requires just a couple steps. Let's begin with a page. So we have an image here on the left hand side, and we've made the decision that we'd like to see some text on the page as well. To do so, we just press the Add Text button here, and it will bring up a movable text window for us. So we'll drag it up here. This is a nice location. And then just left click within the text frame itself, and it will bring up the area to type the text you'd like to appear and some editing controls as well. So type. And here we can also control the color, size of the font, and then there are font types available for you. I'm going to go back to Great Vibes. It's a nice script. You can also control justifying, right, left, or center, and drag it around until you're pleased with the result. Now, with traditional photo covers, which are offered with the Lake and Anza albums, you can add text in the same way. So let's move to the cover on this one, where we're working on a lake. We currently have a wraparound cover that has a text banner as well, and there's the text box here that we used on the pages just a moment ago. Just click again and it will bring up your text box. And it will present it on the text banner. And perhaps we decide, we don't like the text banner, but we do like the text. So we can go make a quick change by visiting the cover layouts. This fourth option, there's 4 wraparound covers available. This fourth one here has no text banner. And so we can go ahead and flip our image back there to the right side, the front cover. And here we can play around with the text again to see if we can come up with an option that works for us without the text banner. So I'm going to click on what we'd already entered, and we'll change the color to one that contrasts with the silhouette. And we can also add a second line if we like. Maybe we want to put the wedding date. And since we're dealing with the silhouette, we'll go ahead and change it to white for contrast. And perhaps this is the look we want to go with. You can add text virtually anywhere on the layout. So, perhaps we want to add a small message to the back cover. Just hit the Add Text button again. You can locate this wherever you like. And here we'll bring up one last note regarding covers and text. The solid leather and faux leather covers, as well as the printed metal and printed leather covers, do not allow for adding text in this manner on the cover. Engraving can be added to the solid leather and faux leather covers on either the outside of the front cover or the inside of it. The printed leather and printed metal only offer engraving on the inside of the front cover, not on the outside, as the services don't allow for it. And we do try to present that information, so I'll pick the marina for instance, where this message here is just trying to remind you that your engraving and paper options will happen when you enter the shopping cart. The first page there is where you'll enter your engraving text as well as your font choices, etc. I hope this was helpful. This concludes this video. Thank you for choosing Alter, and enjoy making your album.